me, I don't think that there are any more barriers to a woman getting into the market than a single guy getting into the market. I think that there's not a huge
No, if anything, I
difference
think
on
it
that.
would probably be what a woman
Feels
feels limited
yeah.
herself, which is not true. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Like if she
maybe.
goes, well, I need to wait until I have a partner to be able to do this, or
Yeah.
I need to wait until I'm married till I buy a house, and like that's just not the case anymore.
I think the woman always tends to overthink things. Like, what if I lose my job? What if, you know? So I think that would be like what most women feel. And I say that because I felt it myself when I recently separated and I was just on the what if all the time. And I think it goes through the mind a lot. But then once you just take the first step, that's it.